Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps, games, and website actually work? How does your phone know what to do when you tap on an icon? Well, it all comes down to something called programming. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of programming, exploring what it is, how algorithms play a crucial role, and the difference between high level and low level programming languages. Imagine you are trying to bake a cake. You have a recipe that lists out all the steps you need to follow: mixing ingredients, baking, and decorating. Programming is like writing a recipe but for computers instead of flour and eggs. We are using code and logic to give instruction to a computer. At its core, programming is a process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. These instructions are written in a language that computer can understand. But before we dive deeper, let's talk about algorithms. An algorithm is like a step-by-step guide for solving a problem. Let's say you want to find the shortest route to your friend's house. You think about all the possible routes, consider traffic, and choose the quickest one. In programming, an algorithm does something similar. It breaks down a problem into a series of steps that a computer can follow to achieve a desired outcome. Now let's talk about programming languages. Just like humans speaking different languages, English, Spanish, Japanese, computers have their own languages. These languages fall into two main categories: high level and low level. High level programming languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript are closer to human languages. They are easier for us to read and write. Imagine speaking to your computer like you would to a friend, telling it what to do in a way that's easy to understand. On the other hand, low level programming languages like assembly and machine code are much closer to the computer native languages. They give you more controls over the hardware but are more complex and hard to read. It's like speaking directly to the computer in its own dialect. Very precious but not as user friendly. Programming is the art of giving computers a set of instructions. Algorithms are the step by step guide for solving problems. And high level and low level languages are the tools we use to communicate with our computers. Whether you are creating a simple app or designing complex software, understanding the basic is the first step on an incredible journey into the world of programming. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Let me know in the comment if you have any question. See you in the next video.